Over to Tamil Nadu, which remains one of the worst affected states due to coronavirus. Chennai is among the worst cities and remains in a state of lockdown with more than 200 containment zones. We get your ground report from Shalini Lobo.
The coronavirus cases in Tamil Nadu continue to surge. COVID infections have already gone past the 2000 mark and there is a state of high alert across Tamil Nadu. Capital Chennai remains on the edge, with 202 streets marked as containment zones. The high-risk areas have been sealed and movement of locals restricted. The city has been in a state of super lockdown for 4 days now. Chennai's largest wholesale market in Coimbatore is being split into two sections after some labourers tested positive. Vegetables will be sold from Coimbatore while fruits and flowers will be shifted to Madhavaram bus station. Chief Minister Edapadi Palanisamy held a high-level meet with coordination committees and district collectors on Wednesday to monitor the operations.
In a video conference with district collectors, Chief Minister Edapadi Palanisamy made it clear that no one during this pandemic must go without food, water and vegetables. Farmers are not to be stopped from going about their business. The Chief Minister has also said that state borders should be strictly monitored during this time and has said that instructions will soon be passed for industries to slowly resume operations if they come under the green zone.
People had thronged markets on Sunday on the eve of super lockdown. Keeping this view, the Chief Minister has urged people to maintain social distancing while curbs are lifted on Thursday.
Authorities are now focusing on devising a phased exit strategy from the lockdown. However, the state capital, even though Chennai tops the list on the number of tests done for the COVID-19 virus, there is a rise in the number of cases with each passing day, causing a matter of concern for both the authorities and the residents alike. With video journalist Divyan Rajkumar, this is Shalini Lobo in Chennai for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.